hard shell combinations, all in one backpack, built for comfort and security. Unparalleled smart app to make life simple. Quick diagnostics on your smartphone, not a problem. 100% secure with modular capabilities. Temperature monitoring, you asked for it, you got it. With this hard shell backpack, you're super secure inside and out. GPS enabled with built-in Wi-Fi technology. Energy diagnostics with the touch of a button. And USB ports, we've got 4 of them. Snap and go makes it one of a kind. Carrying your athletic gear has never been easier. Medications, devices, technology, protected and secured. Waterproof and super durable. The ultimate experience, all in one backpack. Clever design with multiple applications. Adhere gear allows you to travel first class in all that you do. The only question that remains, what will you use it for? Support the prototype build and equip yourself for greatness.
Why do we waste so much time commuting on a packed train when we could be staying healthy by running or cycling into work? Hi, I'm Rob, and 8 years ago I tried running home from work, but I had stuff to carry in a backpack and it was so uncomfortable. The chafing, bouncing on your shoulders and neck and backache. And cycling wasn't much better, getting thrown off balance, sweaty back and sore shoulders. What we needed was a complete revolution in backpack design. A bag that places the load where the body is designed to carry load, but moves with your body the way the human body moves. And 8 years later, we've developed the motionlab Active Commute Bag, the only bag in the world to take all of the weight off your shoulders and place it securely on your hips, so you barely feel it at all. With a spine that flexes and extends the way your own spine does. With a wraparound harness to give great stability, but total freedom of movement. Now you can run or cycle into work in total comfort. With a laptop, pair of shoes, change of clothes, everything you need, and with features and styling that work in the office too. We're ready to give you the best active commute bag the world has ever seen. But don't take my word for it. Check out our design award and reviews from press, cyclists, runners, commuters, Team GB athletes and health professionals. Now we just need your support. So pledge today and help us bring to life this revolution in backpack design. At motionlab Bags, we love all your support. And we look forward to you starting to love your commute.
We're Peak Design. We know a bit about cameras. And we know a bit about bags too. But we know even more about travel. This is the Travel Line. The 45-liter travel backpack. Tech pouch. Wash pouch. Packing cubes. And camera cubes. Whether your trip is short or long. Whether you carry a camera or not. Whether you travel for work or play, or both. We designed these products with the versatility, organization, and access you need. Because no two trips are the same. And it starts with how you pack. Sometimes you need organization. So we made a system of cubes that fit perfectly in the main volume. While a separate organization panel holds small stuff, flat stuff, or expands to carry extra loads. But sometimes, you just need space. Remove the divider and use it like a duffel. Laptop? Check. Tablet? Check. Hidden pockets. Side pockets. Interior pockets. A quick stash pocket. And a pocket for external straps, so you can always carry one more thing. But it's not just about what you carry, it's about how you access it. From the back, so you can see everything and your straps stay clean. From the side, so you never have to dig and you never miss a shot. From the front or the top. It's about how you carry it with total comfort and on-demand support. Carry it at your side or on your luggage. And when you're carrying less, we made a travel bag that can be your day bag too. It's about how you stow it instantly, cleanly, universally. And it's about how it protects your stuff inside and out. But we didn't stop there. Packing tools take organization and efficiency to the next level. Great for any bag and perfect for our travel line. Our cubes provide custom modular organization, from clothes and shoes to photo gear to a full professional creative setup. Keep your camera secure, yet accessible via a single zip. Inside, you'll find thoughtful organization. Outside, you'll find easy access and durable materials. Packing cubes expand instantly and compress to save space. We created a tool to carry the small stuff and one for toiletries that open cleverly, organize like none other, and bring delight to your most common travel workflows. This is our 8th Kickstarter. For those who know us, you know the drill. For those who don't, allow us to introduce ourselves. We're crowdfunded. We're creatives. We're travelers. We were born on the road. We design stuff that we ourselves want to use. And we do it with the direction of you, our backers. These are the best products we've ever made, and are the culmination of everything we've learned from crowdfunding. Thank you for the opportunity to bring them to life.
"10 months ago, we set out to create the ultimate business backpack, and after hundreds of hours and dozens of prototypes, we're amped to introduce the all-new Taskin Edge. This is our 4th big Kickstarter, and if the buzz from our past campaigns is any sign, this could be our best one yet. Why? Because the Edge is designed for effortless cool. It's smart without all the gimmicks. So no, it doesn't give you turn-by-turn directions or double as a drone. What it does give you? An upscale backpack that's serious business. Check this out. Your tablet, smartphone, and other doodads, they slide easily into our deep outer sleeves for a slim executive profile. On the inside, sectional pockets help you stay organized, so you never have to dig around for your stuff. A padded sleeve with our unique adjustable strap keeps that all-important laptop or tablet safely in place. The Edge even works as a weekend getaway bag. Our duplex packing cubes fit perfectly. In fact, the Edge fits most Taskin travel gear just fine. And need some extra juice? Bring along a battery pack. There's a sleeve with an external USB port so you can get your power moves on wherever you roam. The Edge isn't for just anybody, it's for go-getters. For people on the move who appreciate great style and know exactly what it can do for them. Our mission? Make it sharp, make it modern, and make it exclusively with top quality materials. Our manufacturer specializes in small batch, high-end backpacks out of Vietnam. We sourced fabrics from a premium textile mill in South Korea. And our waterproof zippers come from YKK. Plus, the Edge comes packed with bonus features, like an elegant retractable keyring, a tuck-away bottle holder, hidden pockets, a carry-on attachment, and more. Oh, and the Edge's design? That's 100% Taskin. So you get the stylish look you want for wherever you're headed next. Get your Taskin Edge today.